Welcome back to another digital planner video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a horizontal layout for my boho berry digital planner. To use that, I'm using 3 apps: GoodNotes, Procreate, and Vectornate. Vectornate is what I use to get my font where I want it. So first off, we're going to start by going to GoodNotes, opening up my planner. I've already got it on this blank page. And then you're going to press and hold on the screen. See how it turned blue? And I'm going to copy this. This gives me a canvas, the exact size of that page to work with. And then I'm going to go to Procreate, hit the plus up here to start a new one, and then I'm going to use Clipboard. And that opens up a canvas just this size. So now I'm going to add another layer, because you always want to work on a layer, because if you mess up, it's easy enough to delete it. So, which I had to do. I went to erase where I was doing my counting the first time. Sorry about that. And was erasing my dots. And I want to keep my dot grid. So again, add another layer. For my brush, or my pen actually, I'm going to, where is it, inking? And I use the gel pen. That works good for me, kind of test your size, has good color. I'm going to do these in black. Now the first thing I did, like I said, I already counted the dots. So because I wanted it Monday through Sunday with notes at the bottom on the right hand page, I need 4 equal boxes on each side, or rectangle should I say. So the first thing I did was start with 1 dot, draw all the way over, and now I'm going to hold my Apple Pencil, and then I'm going to tap my screen with a finger, and that makes me a perfectly straight line. So I'm going to do kind of my borders first. So I did that one. This one, I'm going to go down 8. Okay, so I counted my 8. And see how when I tap that, it makes it straight? And I'm off 1. That's okay. I'm going to zoom in so I can get, and again, just hold there. Now I want to draw this one over. So again, draw all the way across, press and hold, tap the screen with a finger, and it made it straight. So now we're going to go down 8 more. Again, hold, tap with a finger, and it made it straight. Go across. Okay. Same process. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press and hold, tap with my finger, and let up. Accidentally changed my pen color. I'm still new to Procreate. There may be better ways to do this, but this is the way I found. So, tap with the finger. See, that one's off a little bit. And it's off a little more than I want it. So I'm going to use my eraser and go up just a hair there. And now I'm going to try again. Make it. That's better. And it's okay if they hang off the end a little, because we can go back and clean it up. So now I have 1 more to do. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap. Make it straight. Okay. And now my bottom line. Okay. Now we're going to go and connect this side by drawing a straight line. Hold your pencil, tap, and see I don't like that one. I want to move it out just a touch. So that's better. And now I can go and see how these aren't quite connected and just connect them and erase any parts I don't like that. Okay, so now we have our basic structure. You could make them a little bigger if that's what you wanted to do, but I like to put a little washi. So now I'm still on this layer that we've been drawing. I'm going to hit this arrow which selects that. I'm going to make sure I'm on freeform, and then I'm going to kind of center it. I think I should have made each one of these bigger by 1, but we'll go with this just for the sake of y'all not having to sit through me redrawing it. Okay, now with it selected, I'm going to use 3 fingers, swipe down, and copy and paste. And sometimes it moves it back, but whatever, we will fix that. Now I'm going to center this one on the opposite page. And this made it a new layer. So now I need to go back to my first layer because it jumped when I don't know why it does that, but it does it to me a lot. And then I want to get it where I want it. Okay, now I'm going to merge these 2 layers into one. There's 2 ways to do that. You can tap the first layer and then select merge down, or you can pinch them together. And now that's one layer. I'm going to add another layer, and here's where I added my text. So here's where I use vector name. So we're going to open up vector name. And this can be a little time consuming. I'm going to start a new document. I don't think it really matters what size. So I just create one. Open it. Okay. Down here on the left, you have this text. I want to go in. I have my Berry Bubble font saved, which is what I want to use. I just left it at the size it was. Then you're going to go up above this. There's a T with a box around it. Select it. Tap your screen. And then type in what you want. This, someone mentioned they wanted a Sunday start instead of Monday. So I'm going to make a Sunday start. So then I type in Sunday. Go down. Now I'm going to go, staying on the right side, go up the arrow without a little tail. I'm going to select it. Drag this over so it's in a line instead of up and down. I'm going to tap the share icon. I'm going to then on the bottom go over till I see copy. Let it do its thing. Sometimes takes it a minute because it's copying more, but wait on that. That's actually already copied. It did this for some reason. I couldn't get that to go away earlier. Now I'm going back to Procreate. Now I'm going to make sure I'm on a new layer. Swipe down with 3 fingers. And I'm going to paste. And then just move it up to where I want it to be. Turn it off. Now go back to vector name. Tap on that. Double tap on it. And we're going to type in Monday. And then we're going to go to the arrow and copy. Wait a second. I don't know why that box is sticking, but it did that to me earlier. Go back to Procreate. Swipe down with 3 fingers. Paste. Move it where you want it. And so on. And that is how I created a horizontal layout. What I did do at the end is I merged all of my days of the weeks together, and then I merged them down onto my layer. Now, I know this one isn't finished because I'm sure y'all don't want to sit through me typing all the days of the week. If I wanted to, say, add this to my planner, now if you have the undated that has the blank dot grid paper, this is how you would do it. So I'm going to go up here to the wrench, share, PNG. To save space, I don't save everything to my camera roll. I'm just going to copy it. Okay, now we're going to open GoodNotes. This is that blank page that I copied. I think I messed up. Hold on. Back up. First, I'm going to go here and I'm going to turn off my background layer so it's just the black outline. And now I'm going to do the wrench, share, PNG, copy, and you'll see when I go here, I'm just pasting that line. Now, if you have, like I have her dated planner, and then I line that up, bring it out where I want it, get it in place. And there it is in my planner. Now, let me see. This week, let me get to where, that's my gratitude. Okay, this is the week we're actually on. Let's say this is the week I want to cover. If I do that one I just did, see, you can see everything through it. And that's not what you want. So what in that case I would do is in Procreate, I would leave the layer that is my dot grid page on. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to share, PNG, copy, go back to GoodNotes, paste, line up my little dot, make it the right size, and then it covers up what was already there, and I have